to do analytics using Facebook Analytics. So when you're in the business.facebook.com for the UV review page, so this is the business version of our Facebook page. You just need to go to the top left corner right here, pull down the drop down menu, and then go to all tools, and then just go into the measure and report section, and then click on analytics. That's going to launch Facebook Analytics for you. I have a lot of different pages I manage, so the important thing is to click on the right page. So this is going to pull you up to the main dashboard for Google Analytics. As you can see, as finals came, we dropped off pretty significantly. A lot of, but like back historically, we could see like how many monthly users we have, how many weekly users we have, and we get like a good understanding of like when people are like looking at our content, so we could see if a story we released is being successful. So we could just look at that, and then you look at the top reacted posts. You can see that right here. See, like this means like how many people are actually commenting and sharing. So these are the more like highly engaged posts. They might not be the most read post, but they are being engaged with more. But yeah, there's a lot of like different metrics here, but yeah, like we could see that there's a lot of useful information because Facebook is our most consistent source of traffic. We're going to get the most relevant information on how we can better write articles. And since Facebook owns Instagram, and we hooked up our UV review page on Facebook to our Instagram page, we should be getting analytics from Instagram as well. But in this video, I'm just going to talk about how we can look at the top, because there's a lot of ways we could look at and break down our data. But I'm just going to talk about how you can look up the top articles. And so that is done by going down to breakdowns. And there's top reacted posts, top shared posts, and top commented posts. So Facebook used to have it that it was the posts that were clicked on the most. But now they changed it to top reacted, which is more about engagement. And I think this is a better way to measure success of your articles. It's not how many people click through to the article. It's about how much noise you made, for good or bad, on the article. Because then it's not about creating like clickbaity ads. It's about starting a discussion with your journalism, and that's the best way to do it. So then if you just click on top reacted post, it's going to pull up what you have here. And so if you're doing like a weekly pitch meeting, you can pull this up, and you can see whose articles are doing the best at a certain time. And then if you click on the actual post, it's going to pull up Facebook, and it's going to show you okay, that's pretty funny. But yeah, it'll show you like what the post is when you click on it. So if you could see like the article, you can look at the creative and be like, okay, well the imagery here is really good. We can see that the copy here is really good. So we could use that to learn and improve how we make our posts, what imagery we use, how we write the words of our posts. and we could keep an eye on like the topics that we have. So that's how you do Facebook analytics at a very high level. It's up to you to dig a little bit deeper.